We are given a bird's eye view of a swimming pool in the shape of a cross. 4 crosses that are 10 by 10 surrounding a 10 by 10 square. So first thing we do is we divide our squares into 5 squares. And we multiply the length times the width times the height, which is 10 times 10 times 4, because the depth would work as the height. And that gives us 400 feet for each square of the volume. So to find the volume of all 5 of them, we would need to add all 5 of them together, or we can multiply it by 5, and that would give us 2,000 cubic feet, which is how much water could fit in the pool. Okay, then I would divide the 2,000 by the cubic feet of the water, which is 1.34. That's the amount of gallon of water it would take. And that would give me 14,925.3731. This is the number of gallons that it would take to fill up the pool, 14,925 gallons. All right, next I divide 3 into the number of gallons, because 3 gallons per minute is what the water is going to fill. So when I take 3 and I divide it into the 14,925, 3.371, that gives me 4,975.124 minutes. All right, then I multiply that by 60 minutes times 24 hours to see how many minutes there are in a day. So when I multiply 60 by 24, I get 14,400 minutes in a day. Then I divide the total number of minutes that it would take to fill the pool by the minutes in a day. So I divide 1,440 into 4,975.124. And then that gives me the total answer of 3.454947. And it would take about 3.5 days. This is the number of days that it would take to fill up a pool. So it would take about 3.5 days to fill up this pool if the water is running at 3 gallons a minute.